So how to record your face and display at a time with your OBS studio. So let's get started. For example, first of all, let's remove my current setting. Open your OBS, then you can see this kind of interface. So you have to go the source option and press on plus icon, and once you press on plus icon, then you can see display capture. Once you press on display capture, set as a name Windows and press on OK, and then here you can see capture mode, Windows 10 or select automatic. If you have two skin, then here you can see the option as well, then press on OK. Now your current skin is capturing, not image. You have to select video capture device. Now set as webcam, and now press on OK. Once you press on OK, then here you can see the device. You can see all of your device. For example, I have a EDM webcam. If you want to add phone or other device as a webcam, you have to use EDM. I have a different video, you can check it out. So I want to select F4 as a webcam. You can configure your video, like if you want to increase or decrease your brightness, or you can adjust your setting as well. Then once done, press on OK. Now here is the if you go down, if you want to set microphone for your webcam, then here you can see audio output model. You can select your device or use custom audio. Then here you can see your option, Bluetooth or F4 or other. So I want to use my default one, then press on OK. Now if you want to resize your position, you can also do it like that. So once all done, now just press on start recording. Now record 1 2 3 test, 1 2 3 test, record. Now press on stop. Now how you find your video? If you go to your setting, then go to output, then here you can see remove recording path, user, Ekramul, and download. So you have to find this folder. Now open up your local disk, go user. Now find the OBS, go the download, then here you can see this is the file. So this is how you can easily record your skin and webcam add-ons. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Have a good day.